Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading. Trade of the day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 24th day of October 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. The setup is the same as pretty much what we do every day. We look for this strong candle indicator. This is triangle pointing downwards. So we're going to take this candle and we're going to trade short towards the bottom of the screen. You can see it's already taken off. We'll wait for a little bit of a retrace here. Stick our order at the end of the candle as a cover order, and then we just let it play out. And this is how it played out in the room today. Now we're going to look. The volatility is really slow. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 30 and 50 ticks in length. So I'm going to pair my ATM to suit the volatility. So I'm going to go for 11 tick first target, 21 tick second target, and 41 tick last runner. And we're going to de-risk the trade after 11s have been hit. Now, you'll see what happens here in just a second and why we do what we do here. So this is a pretty good example of why we use the ATM that we do. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and put our order on, wait for the market to pop up just a little bit. There we go. We're good to go. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. Now that we're in the trade, we'll go ahead and speed it up slightly. Okay, now look what happened. Our first target's out. We de-risked the trade. So we got 11 tick first target. We put our stop at -9. That way, if the market decides it wants to stop here and go the other way, the worst that can happen is we get a break even. If the market does come back and take us out at -9, we also have the option of re-entering the trade. So if it wants to go long, we'll let it. But if it comes back and picks us up again, then we'll just re-enter and come down. So the ATM is very, very nice. Now we do need to get another trade ready to go in case that happens. So let's go ahead and see how this runs. All right, so we got the first two targets out. Now we can't lose money on this trade. So even if this comes back and takes us out at -9, we've already made 40 ticks. So obviously we have a net gain on this already. All right, so again, the same situation applies. Okay, see how that went up? Now it took us out. Now we made money on the first trade, and now we're in again. We got to put the stop where it belongs and wait for the first target to be hit. Once that target's hit, we go to a break-even position again, and we're back in the trade again. So it's a protection. That stop right there is a protection in case the market wants to scream back the other way. In this case, it was just a retrace. Now we have both targets taken out again. That whole series took 5 minutes to complete. And then we just need to see how long it takes to get our last target. There's no new signal. You notice this one does not have a strong candle indicator, but it got taken out anyway. That whole series right there took 6 minutes to complete and was worth 595 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 595 US dollars in 6 minutes, then come on and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We have a whole online uh, course if you want that. Weekly coach, all kinds of coaching. We have everything you need for your trading career. So come and join us, samuraidaytrading.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless. See you then.